Yo guys, VAG Lab here, long time no see. I just wanted to do a video about my cold air intake. My first video was about it, but I think it needs an upgraded version because of the poor editing and so on. Spring is coming. This winter I bought a lot of things, so leave a subscribe as there's gonna be a lot of upgrades and important things. In this video I will show shortly but full explanatory of what and how my CAI project was done. This was the stock intake. As you can see, it was bolted so it doesn't fall apart, a hole in the front, taped around the connector. It was old, destroyed and useless. This was my first attempt and what I seen is a perfect cold air intake. I thought this is the final result, but it's ugly, wasn't pulling cold air in at all. I had to do something about it. And this is my final project, or at least what I am calling a successful project. As you can see, I removed that silver heat tape, removed the front grille piping letting the intake breathe straightly, made a housing out of 2 layers of aluminium, painted black, made the corners dull and closed the intake out from the hot engine bay. I made it carefully and took the design from ram air intakes. I can't say it's the same but somewhat similar. Here's a video revving the stock intake. And now passing to my homemade cold air intake revving, you're gonna hear a lot of difference. The turbo spooling is nearly not heard in the stock intake, but holy, how much is the turbo spooling heard with the new CAI? You can hear the turbo spooling and blow by so damn hard. Now let me show you some real difference. Did I impress you now? If you listen closely you can hear the stu-tu-tu. Anyways, sorry for my dog barking. I really don't know how to silence her barks. It will be a more clean sound without the barking. Now, I wanted to thank everyone for 200 subscribers even though I wasn't active for 6 long months. Leave a like and a comment, ask me any questions. If you're interested into buying a cold air intake too, I will reply ASAP. The quote for this video is, "They said it wouldn't run right. Said it wasn't worth it. Said I was wasting my time. I kept building anyway. Every rev is proof, every mile is earned."